Hello all, welcome to my channel All Set Ready CP. So today we are going to see all about Ford car jack. So Ford car jack is always different from all the other cars that we have in the current market trend. So let me show you how to open and use this particular model's jack, and this is common for all the Ford cars that we have in the market right now. So to do that, what we have to do is it's very simple. Just loosen the jack, and loosening the jack is also of 19 mm socket, the same wheel set jack. That's how the Ford car differs. There is no like two holes and we have to open that. There's no such kind of thing. So this is the length rod that we have. So since I am saying length rod, you can understand that it has been folded. Okay, now let's see how to unfold this. Here is the length rod. Just pull the bottom side first. With this we have the length rod ready. Next we have to remove the wheel nut, right? So for that we need 19 mm socket that is present at this side. So just place this 19 mm socket and you can begin to remove your wheel. And also the same 19 mm socket is used to lift your jack too. Okay, and this jack, right, so this upper part has to go inside the chassis and the smaller part should come outside the chassis. So in the chassis, if you see, there will be a small line. In that you have to place that. And to unfold this back, just close the socket first and then the length rod, and again to place it back in the jack we will have this small line, right? So that has to go to the bottom place, this one. So on beneath this we have to place it, and the upper side has to be hooked, and then just tighten it. That's it. So with this we will close this video. Thank you all for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe, and also check my playlist for many more interesting things. Thank you.